In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use annotation tools on Zoom, a feature that can really enhance your virtual meetings and presentations. Whether you're teaching a class, leading a business meeting, or simply collaborating with friends, mastering the annotation tools can make your sessions more interactive and engaging. Let's dive right in and explore how you can utilize these tools to their fullest potential. To begin, you'll first want to open Zoom and start with a meeting or join an existing one. Once you're in the meeting, pay close attention to the toolbar located at the bottom of your screen. This toolbar is your gateway to a multitude of features, including our focus today, the annotation tools. Now, to effectively use these tools, you need to start by sharing your screen. So, go ahead and look for the Share Screen option on your toolbar. You will notice it's prominently displayed and easy to find. Click on it. This action will prompt you with an array of options, allowing you to choose either a particular window or your entire desktop that you wish to share with your meeting participants. Choose the one that is most appropriate for your session. Once you've selected your sharing option, hit the Share button, which will enable all participants to view what you've chosen. Instantly, your screen will be visible to everyone, and you'll notice a new toolbar appearing usually at the top of your screen. This is the annotation toolbar, our main focus here. With this new toolbar visible, click on the Annotate button. This will open up a variety of annotation options for you to use. You'll find tools like text, draw, stamp, spotlight, eraser, and more. Each of these tools serves a different purpose and can be creatively utilized to make your presentation more dynamic. Let me give you a brief rundown of these capabilities. The text tool, just like the name says, allows you to type out text on the screen, which is perfect for highlighting important information. The Draw tool lets you freehand draw using your mouse for more casual notes or illustrations that demand a personal touch. If you're looking to emphasize certain points, you can use the Spotlight feature to highlight key areas without cluttering the screen. The Stamp tool offers you the ability to place icons such as arrows or question marks, perfect for quickly pointing out specific elements. And if you make any mistakes, don't worry. The Eraser feature allows you to easily remove unwanted marks. As you explore these tools, remember that practice makes perfect. The more you use the annotation tools, the more efficient and comfortable you'll become at incorporating them into your meetings or presentations. So why not give these tools a try in your next Zoom meeting and see how they can transform your virtual interactions?